Here we come to the elevator at the Discovery Pyramid Museum at Moody Gardens in Galveston, Texas. This elevator has an epic sounding motor and it's quite tall too. Anyways, this is a particular elevator I've been dying to ride so badly since I first filmed this in my older video before I even started my YouTube channel 13 years ago. And now finally I get a much better take in full HD. Let's ride, here we go. Look how tall this thing is. This is a very tall elevator. 2R? Oh my holy joy. That motor sounds exactly like the one in the old Saks Fifth Avenue. We gotta listen to that motor again. My gosh, was that a soothing sounding musical voice. Last time I came here a couple of years ago, it was closed. Now this time I finally get a much needed better take on this elevator. All right, 2R. All right, let's go on to 1. Epic! Anyways, we're getting a full detail cab view of this elevator. My gosh, is that a soothing sounding motor? This motor sounded exactly like the original Montgomery elevators at the former Saks Fifth Avenue at the Galleria Mall before it was closed and demolished, I think. Anyways, these are your empty fixtures. I forgot to show the phone. Here's your 88 phone right there. All right, let's listen to this motor for one last time. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Look at that sun glare out there. That sun glare through the pyramid is definitely very bright. 1R is locked, you see here. My gosh, is that the best motor sound? This is gotta be my most favorite elevator of all times. This has gotta be my absolute most favorite elevator here at Moody Gardens. Seriously, I gotta say. Well, you know what? I'm sorry to say, but I think we deserve for one more ride. I can't get enough of this elevator. This has got to be the best motor I've ever heard on a Schindler hydraulic elevator. All right, time to head back down to 1. I went in there. Absolute pure beauty. Absolute best motor of all times. It's got to be the absolute best motor ever. It sounded like a musical voice you play on a trombone in a band. All right, we're going to go ahead and exit the elevator. The bulb is burned out on the lantern. All right, there it goes. And that's it.